Welcome back to another episode of Benefits Unlocked, where we break down natural, powerful ways to improve your health, energy, and performance. Today, we're diving into something that's probably already in your spice cabinet, but might just be the fat-burning boost you've been missing. We're talking about cayenne pepper. Yeah, that fiery red powder you sprinkle on your food? Turns out, it's way more than just a flavor kick. Cayenne pepper can actually help rev up your metabolism, curb your appetite, and support real, sustainable fat loss. So if you're looking to take your weight loss game up a notch naturally, stay tuned. We're going to break down exactly how to use cayenne pepper, why it works, and what kind of results you can expect. Let's kick things off with the science behind why cayenne pepper works for fat loss. The secret lies in a compound called capsaicin. It's what gives cayenne that heat, and it's also responsible for most of its metabolism-boosting benefits. Capsaicin has been shown in multiple studies to increase thermogenesis, which is your body's way of producing heat. More heat production means your body is burning more calories, even when you're just chilling. Here's where it gets better. Capsaicin doesn't just help you burn more calories. It also helps control hunger. People who consume capsaicin tend to eat fewer calories throughout the day. That's because it interacts with hunger hormones and brain signals that make you feel full. So if cravings and mindless snacking have been sabotaging your fat loss efforts, cayenne might be the secret weapon you need. So how do you actually use cayenne pepper to unlock those benefits? There are a few easy, practical ways to make it part of your daily routine, and you don't need to set your mouth on fire to do it. First up, add it to your meals. This is the simplest and most accessible way. Start with a pinch and sprinkle it over eggs, stir it into soups, or blend it into smoothies. Yep, smoothies. It pairs surprisingly well with ingredients like lemon, ginger, and pineapple. Just a small amount can go a long way. If you like a little kick, you can even add cayenne to your morning lemon water. One popular fat-burning drink is warm water, lemon juice, a dash of cayenne, and a little bit of honey. It's refreshing, wakes up your digestion, and sets your metabolism in motion right out of the gate. Option 2 is cayenne pepper capsules. These are great if you want a more measured, consistent dose without the taste. Look for supplements that contain around 40,000 to 100,000 Scoville heat units. This ensures you're getting a potent amount of capsaicin. Take one with a meal once or twice a day, but definitely follow label directions and check with your doctor if you have any medical conditions. Another creative way is to use cayenne in detox drinks or teas. Combine it with green tea, apple cider vinegar, or even turmeric. These ingredients complement each other, and together they create a powerful fat-burning, anti-inflammatory elixir. You can drink it once in the morning or sip it throughout the day for a steady energy lift. Now let's talk timing. When should you take cayenne for the best fat-burning effect? Ideally, include it with meals, especially higher fat or higher carb meals, because it helps improve digestion and reduces the spike in blood sugar that can lead to fat storage. Taking it before a workout may also give you an extra metabolism and endurance boost. Okay, now you're probably wondering, how long does it take to see results? As with most natural approaches, it's not a magic pill, but it is powerful. Most people notice reduced appetite and more stable energy within a few days of regular use. In terms of fat loss, consistent use over a few weeks, combined with a solid diet and movement, can absolutely support faster progress. Let's zoom out a little now and talk about some bonus benefits of cayenne that go beyond fat loss. First, it boosts circulation. Capsaicin helps open up blood vessels and improve blood flow, which means more oxygen and nutrients delivered to your muscles and organs. This is great for overall health and athletic performance. Second, cayenne supports digestion. It stimulates the digestive tract, increases enzyme production, and can even help relieve gas and bloating. So if you're someone who struggles with sluggish digestion or that heavy feeling after meals, cayenne might be a game changer for you. Third, cayenne may also help reduce inflammation. While it seems counterintuitive since it's spicy, capsaicin has actually been shown to lower inflammatory markers in the body. Less inflammation means better recovery, more comfort in your joints, and better fat loss outcomes overall. Now, quick word of caution. Cayenne is potent. If you're new to it, start small, like really small. Too much too soon can lead to stomach irritation or burning sensations. If you have any digestive issues like ulcers, IBS, or acid reflux, talk to your doctor before going all in, and always listen to your body. So what's the bottom line? Cayenne pepper is a simple, affordable, and natural way to enhance fat loss, control appetite, and fire up your metabolism. Whether you sprinkle it on food, sip it in a morning drink, or take it as a supplement, the benefits are real. Combine it with clean eating, regular movement, good sleep, and hydration, and you've got a solid fat-burning strategy on your hands. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into powerful, natural tools to level up your health. And hey, if you've used Cayenne before for fat loss or any other reason, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. Your story might inspire someone else. Thanks for watching Benefits Unlocked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.